Sometimes changing a space starts with making a mess first. One by one, I cleared everything out of the shelf until all that was left was an empty space and a new idea forming in my head. At first, it looked a little worse before it looked better. Books everywhere, dust everywhere, complete chaos. But every transformation starts somewhere, right? So I moved on to the preparation, masking the edges carefully, sanding the surface, cleaning everything down. The slow part of the process that takes the most patience. The finish always depends on the work you do before painting even begins. And then finally, paint. The first coat instantly changed the entire feeling of the shelf, and layer by layer, it slowly started becoming what I had imagined. Somewhere in the middle of a process, it stopped feeling like an old shelf I was fixing and started feeling like something completely new. Once you are done with painting, don't forget to use varnish on the surface. Then came my favorite part, the reveal. Seeing everything finished and styled again made every step of the process feel worth it. From complete chaos to a space that finally feels like